Dear student, previous day we discussed up to some number 15 from exercise 14b, the chapter pattern. Now we will start today from 16. Let me write first what they have given 12a, then 13b, 14c. Next three terms you have to write. First you look at the numbers 12, 13, 14. Continuous numbers, we can say that consecutive numbers 12, 13 and 14. Okay, after 14 it will be 15, then 16, then 17. Now A, B, C, English letter, English alphabet continuously A, B, C. Then after C it will be D, then E, then F. So you have to write 15D, 16E, 17F. Then you will get the pattern. So already given in pattern. So next three terms only you have to write. Then 17, 102B, 99D, 96F. Then three terms you have to write. First you look at the numbers 102, then 99, 96. 102. 102 minus 99. So difference is 3. Then 99 and 96 difference is 3. So 3 we have to subtract. 102 minus 3 99. Next number will get 99 minus 3 96. Now 96 minus 3 you will get 93. 96 minus 3 it will be 93. 93 minus 3 it will be 90. Now 90 minus 3 will be 87. 90 minus 3 will be 87. Now see the English alphabet B, D, F. B, after that C is not there, D, E is not there, F. So like this way, one letter alphabet is missing. Now F, after F, G, G is not there, then H. After H, I will not be there, J. Then K is not there, L. So 93 H, 90 J and 87 L. So these are the next three terms of the pattern. Next one, number 18. Number 18, which way they have given? 425 A, 415 B, 405 C. Then next three terms you have to write. Listen, in the book here it is given B, 99B, but it will be D. One mistake is there. Now 425, 415, 405. First of all, you see the numbers 425, 415 and 405. So difference is 10. 425 minus 10, 415. 415 minus 10, 405. So this way, from the previous number you have to subtract 10. So 425 minus 10, 415, 415 minus 10, 405, 405 minus 10, it will be 395. 395. Then 395 minus 10, 385. 385 minus 10, 375. So numbers already we got the numbers. 395, 385 and 375. After subtracting 10 from the previous number. Now A, B, C continuously. After C it will be D, then E, then it will be F. D, E, F. Number 19. 536, 536 AB. Then 530 BC. 524 CD. Next three terms you have to write. You have to write the next three terms. Okay, we can write here, no problem. Now, see the numbers first 536, 530, 524. Difference is 6. So 536 minus 6, 530. 530 minus 6, 524. So 6 you have to subtract from the previous number. 524 minus 6, 518. 518 minus 6, 512. 512 minus 6, 506. So from the previous number, if you subtract 6, then you will get the next number. 524 minus 6, 518. 518 minus 6, 512. 512 minus 6, 506. Now AB, BC, CD. AB. So last alphabet is there. B, BC. B and next one. Then C is there. C, then next one. So here D will be there. D, then E. Then here it will be E, F, then F, G. So this way first you see the numbers which they have written. Similar way you write the numbers first, then see the alphabet and accordingly you write. Number 20. 616 AA. AA. 527 BB. 438 CC. Then next three terms you have to write. First you calculate the difference between these two. 616 and 527. The difference will be, this one will be 938, 89. Here also you see 527 and 438. Now difference will be 89. So from the first number, if you subtract the 89, then you will get second one. From second one, again if you subtract 89, you will get third one. So 438 minus 89, you will get the first one. Or a number which you have to write in the first blank. 943, 349. 349. Then 349 minus 89. 349 minus 89, you will get 260. Now 260 minus 89, 189. So 7, 171. 171. What answer I have given that is wrong answer I have given. So it will be 349, then 260, 171. Now AA, BB, CC, then it will be DD, then EE and FF. So this way you will get this pattern. So difference between two numbers is 89. So from the first number you have to subtract 89, then you will get the second one. So from second one, if you subtract again 89, then you will get the first one. So like this way you have to complete this pattern. Now I am showing you some sums from review exercise. Review exercise, first one you see 1, 2, 4, 7 and 11. Now next three you have to write. 1, then 2, then 4, 7, 11. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So first, this one plus 1, then 2 plus 2, then 4 plus 3, then 7 plus 4. That means with the previous number, if you add 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, you will get the next number. With the previous number, first you have to 1 plus 1, 2, then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Now 11 plus 5. This will be 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5, 16. Now 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 7. So continuous consecutive number you have to add. Up to 4 you have added. Then 5, then 6, 7. 22 plus 7, 29. So this way you will get this pattern. Next one is number 2, 9A1, then 8B2, then 7C3, then last 3 you have to write. 987, first number is 987, then it will be 6, 5 and 4. A, B, C, then D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way, first decreasing by 1, 987, then 6, 5, 4, A, B, C, then D, E, F, then 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So if you continue this way, then you will get this pattern. Next, number 3, 415, 417, 419. So increasing by 2, 15, 17, 19, then 421, 423, 425. So this way you will get the answer. So first of all, you have to see the pattern, which way they have written. Accordingly, you have to find out the last 3 terms. So thank you all the students.